Here we go, guys. We got the new Maverick. So this is the hybrid. I'm not sure if this is like the Lariat or not, but this is the do not sit in one. So looks very nice. We got the sit in one over there, so we'll go over and check those out. Nice wheels. But yeah, this little truck is definitely very good. I definitely like it. It definitely looks good. Yep, it is a Lariat. Very good. And so then we have like the little bottom level work truck. So nice styling. I like the stone blue that's on here. It looks pretty good. Gonna open this right here. Check out the door and look at that. We got plenty of water bottle and cup options, so that's nice. Fairly nice, simplistic design. Got a nice little handle right there. Looks like a fairly good amount of room. Looks like a little bit of height. Looks good. See, it looks like that's the lock right there, so that's good. And looks like we got 2 USB ports, etc. So it's very nice. No pull down armrest though, so that's kind of interesting. So definitely looks nice. I like it. Got some nice lights on it. Looks good. The wheels definitely look like work truck wheels, so that's also nice to know. It's like it is built to be a work truck. So we're walking around to the front here. Doesn't look bad. We'll see if we can get in the interior here in just a second, but it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so finally made it into the Maverick, and seats are very, very comfortable. Very nice amount of space there in the glove box. Got very nice interior options. You have your little dials for your AC, you have your seats and etc. options as well. Also have the mechanical seat that moves forwards, backwards, etc. So, and very smoothly. So, but definitely a lot of space to be able to have a person in the back, and then have a person up in the front, and it's very comfortable. Very nice foot space. So I can move actually a little farther back here, and that is, yeah, that's a good amount of space there. So, very, very comfortable. And you got the nice little handles here as well, which actually feel fairly decent. Nice, very impressive. Ford with a big, small winner.